Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting to settings quickly. This saves time versus hunting menus. Sign in as an administrator so you can change protection features. Press the Windows key and I together to open settings. That keystroke is faster and reliable. Once settings appears, scroll or search for privacy and security and tap Windows Security. Doing this routes you straight to the centralized security hub where Defender, Account Protection, and Firewall controls live, so you can manage everything from one place. Once you click Open Windows Security, you'll see the app's dashboard. This is where actionable controls are grouped. Start with virus and threat protection to run a quick scan or adjust real-time protection. That prevents active threats. Then check Account Protection to verify sign-in options and dynamic lock. Next, open Firewall and Network Protection to confirm network profiles and allow apps through the firewall. Make sure to use Manage Settings links for toggles and exceptions when you need precise control. To finish, run a full scan or Microsoft Defender offline scan if you suspect persistent malware. This ensures deeper checking. Make sure automatic updates are on and schedule scans so protection stays current without manual effort. If a setting won't stick or a feature won't enable, restart the security app and check Windows Update first. As a single troubleshooting tip, run the built-in Windows Security Troubleshooter or restart the Windows Security Service. That often resolves permission or service startup problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.